Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Though sometimes kindly, mermaids were usually dangerous to humans. Their gifts brought misfortune and could cause disasters. They sometimes lured mortals to death by drowning or enticed young people to live with them underwater.
Let's help you make your mark.
On this day in 1493, Italian explorer Christopher Columbus, sailing near the Dominican Republic, sees 3 mermaids, in reality manatees, and describes them as not half as beautiful as they are painted. 6 months earlier, Columbus, 1451 to 1506, set off from Spain across the Atlantic Ocean with the Nina, Pinta and
Take our lead.
Merman. The male equivalent of the mermaid is the merman, also a familiar figure in folklore and heraldry. Although traditions about and sightings of mermen are less common than those of mermaids, they are generally assumed to coexist with their female counterparts.
Let's help you make your mark.
Sadly, no, there are a lot of TV shows, movies, and fairy tales about mermaids. Some of them are fun and light-hearted, others are designed to be scary. Some people have claimed to have seen real mermaids, but these have been proven to be hoaxes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.